Hi everybody, Lisa here. Today I'm working on a 14 by 14 canvas. I've already put a white base coat on here using Artist Loft's Flow White. I'm going to do a ribbon pour today and maybe some twirls and maybe a balloon smash. I'm not really sure yet until I get my paint on the canvas and see what it looks like. I'm going to be using mainly Primal Flow paints, which I happen to love. They're already pre-mixed. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to add any Floetrol or anything to them, and they're wonderful. So I'm going to be using 3 Primal Flow and 1 Dollar Tree paint in Magenta, and all of the colors will be listed in the video description box. So let's get started. Start building my cup right now. And even though I didn't put any kind of silicone in my cup, I'm already seeing some cells in here. That's because Primal Flow is formulated to produce cells without adding any silicone. So I have my cup. I'm going to add a couple swirls in the shape of an X. Well, not really swirls. I'm going to cut the paint in the shape of an X. Okay, I'm going to tilt this a little bit, see what we get. Got some beautiful colors. I love that turquoise and teal together. I didn't have as much magenta as I was hoping for, and that's partly my fault because when I poured the turquoise in, I poured too much in the cup. So I'm going to torch this a little bit, see if I get any cells. Got a lot of little cells coming up. I'll probably just sit here and swirl the whole painting because I can do it. Now I sound like Priscilla Betzel, who happens to be one of my favorite artists, by the way. If you haven't checked her out, you should, because she does some amazing work. If you haven't already noticed, I'm using the back of a paintbrush to do my swirls. Some people use skewers, but I don't like them because they're pointy, and this is rounded so it goes through the paint without dragging on your canvas. This probably would have been more interesting if I had used more color. I find doing the swirls relaxing. If you don't get the color you want, you can always add it in. I'm liking that better already. I'm actually really liking this now. I was thinking of doing a balloon smash, but I don't know if I should. I'm actually liking the way it looks right now. Should I or shouldn't I? If I do a balloon smash, I can't fix it if I don't like it. I feel like it needs something though. Maybe not. Maybe I better stop while I'm ahead. Okay, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell. I put out a video every single Monday. Sometimes I'm able to put out an extra one during the week. Stay tuned for close-ups, and I'll see you next time. Bye.